In this training video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can start to promote affiliate products with different affiliate networks and start getting traffic instantly so you can get real human eyeballs. I have already told you in my previous video that if you can solve the traffic problems, you have solved 80 to 90% of all your problems. The first step to any success when it comes to affiliate marketing, promoting someone else's product, is to generate traffic. You have to generate traffic. You have to get real human people visiting, real human eyeballs visiting your affiliate link, your website. You could have the most beautiful website, you could have the most beautiful affiliate offer, but if you can't get traffic, if you don't know how to get people to see that offer, you're not going to make any money, you're not going to make any sales. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how you can start to get traffic, and in this video I'm going to show you what you can do to actually convert that traffic. Okay, so let's get into this video. As you can see, I have opened one of the affiliate networks. You probably don't know about this network. It's called the Digistore24. It's an alternative to ClickBank. And the reason I'm sharing this is because a lot of people are not accepted on ClickBank. ClickBank has restricted a lot of users and a lot of newcomers. And some of the countries are not allowed on ClickBank. So if that is the case, you should not put yourself off. You should not give up. There's always ways, there's always solutions. You just move on, okay, and you try to promote a product from another network. So one of the best networks, which is an alternative to ClickBank, is Digistore24. They have low ticket products, they have high ticket products, they have physical products, and they have digital products. Most of the products are digital, but you can also promote physical products. I know some of the top ClickBank vendors promoting different offers on Digistore24. All right, now whenever you decide to promote a product, you're going to have two options. One is going to be the direct linking affiliate method, and the second method is going to be building a list of subscribers. Now when you want to build a list of subscribers, it is very, very important that you learn how to build a mini landing page and a mini squeeze page that will capture people's email addresses. Now you can use a free tool and a free software called the System to build these type of landing pages, and I'm going to give you a quick example how a landing page looks like. So this is what you call a landing page. A landing page will look something just like this, where you have a text and you're just telling them what to expect on the next page after they click here. So if someone just clicks here, you're asking for their email address. Some people ask for the name and email. You can only ask for the email address. It will give you better opt-in rate, and you create these kind of mini landing pages using tools and softwares, and one of the best tool and best software for that purpose is System. All right, I'm gonna talk about alternative tools and softwares in my upcoming videos as well, so stay tuned for that. So if you're into another product or a program where you create landing pages, I'm going to show you step by step how to create these landing pages using those tools, and how you can boost your opt-in rate, boost your commissions, and boost your conversions. So let's talk about the traffic. So we have taken a product we can from Digistore24. We have talked about the landing page. Now it's about traffic. The traffic source we're going to talk about is this traffic source here. Okay, you can join this traffic source for free. Okay, you just create your free account by going to this website address that's popping up on the screen. You could just open up a new browser, go to this website address, and you can join this free. You can join this traffic source for free. Once you have created your free account, you can send me a personal message, which I do recommend you do, especially if you have a landing page, so I could review your landing page and give you some good suggestion to get the best opt-in rate. Okay, that's one. Second thing is, when you buy traffic, when you choose someone, just make sure, if you want to actually send me a message telling me what do you think about this traffic network, I could look into it and I could give you the best advice. What you want to do is, once you have joined in, you want to come here, okay, and then you want to leave this setting as you can see down here. So you can see here, got sale 30%. All right, last seen anytime. The niche is going to be marketing. The traffic is going to be from top tier countries, and you're going to see sort by sales. So you're going to see here that the first person that's coming up for this was seen in the last 16 days. So this person doesn't seem too active to me. All right, but the traffic is quite cheap, 40 cents per click, 36% buyer percentage. I'm going to ignore just because I can see that this person was not online for the past 16 days. All right. Here's another one. Let's just look into this. He's got 95% buyer percentage. Okay. And the traffic is expensive, but it's cheap because of this here. Now he was seen 5 hours ago. So let's just look what he has to offer. So I could see that this person's from Australia. Okay, and he's got 90%. If you don't understand what this means, okay, just hover your mouse and it explains everything what this means and what this is all about. This is the main number that you want to look for. The higher this number, the better it's giving you better chances to generate sales, because this just means that people are reporting sales with this person's traffic. 33% people are coming back to buy his traffic, which is very, very good. You could add him as a friend. You could send him messages. And you could do so much cool stuff. Then down here, you could see that you can order traffic. The minimum traffic order is 300 clicks. You can't order less than that. And the maximum you can do is 3,000 clicks with 3 different orders at one time. Okay, I highly recommend if you're just getting started for the first time and you're just testing this person out for the first time, you just want to start doing 300 clicks and give it a test drive. All right, and then you want to do prime filter, making sure you're getting very good traffic. You want to do only top tier, making sure you're only getting English speaking countries. And then down here, what you're going to do is you are actually going to put in your landing page URL, or you're going to put your direct linking affiliate, which I do not recommend. Okay, but that's not enough. Let me show you the criteria to find the best people on this traffic network. So you could see here he's got his provided so many images down here providing sales. Okay, now this can be accurate, this can be fake, or everything is possible in these days, so you just don't want to rely on that. Then he's talking about his traffic, where he gets his traffic from, what is how does he deliver traffic, so you could see that. And then you could see here all of this. Then you could see the geographic. Now this is the most important part which I want you to look into, and that is this here. Look at this. You can see here this person has said she got a sale from this person's traffic just, I think it was about 12 days ago. Okay, 12 days ago. You are looking, this is my criteria. If you want to change it for yourself, that's okay. This is my criteria to make sure I'm on the safe side, and I am buying traffic from the best person to get quality traffic and expecting sales. Okay, so I'm looking for got sales 5 times from 5 different people in the last 30 days. So let's just look into this. 1, 2, and then the third person comes to 28 November. That's over 30 days. So, okay, I'm not going to buy traffic from this person. I'm going to go back and I'm going to continue to do my search and find that person where I can find at least 5 got sales from 5 different people in the last 30 days. That's my criteria to find good traffic, buyer traffic, and buyers into my and getting quality subscribers, while looking at the buyer percentage, which I believe should be a minimum 20%. The higher number the better. That's my main focus. And looking at the repeated customers, which should be minimum 20%. Okay, the higher number the better. So you have to look at everything and then decide what you want to do. This is how I buy traffic. Okay, now if you have any kind of questions, you can ask me. I'm here to help you. So this is one of the traffic sources that where you can get instant traffic, instant results. Now, bear in mind that when you do this for the first time, you do your research. It's going to take a bit of time to find that type of person. But trust me, this search is valuable and worth every minute and every second. Is worth your time, because that one search will do very good for you. Okay, will bring you the potential results that you are looking for. So don't think it's wasting my time. It's not a waste of time. You doing a search, taking time out, whether it's taking you 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and even an hour, it's worth every penny. It's worth every second, okay? Because this one search can make the big difference in your traffic generation, lead generation, and how you're doing affiliate marketing business.